silent. And then breathe. Then right. Movement. No cloud splits the sky. No trumpet blasts from distant throne. But deep within the temple of bone and fire, a pulse begins, ancient, unnamed, not sent. Awaken. The white horse was never flesh. It is the kundalini wind rising through the spine. Gallop of light through forgotten chambers, breaking every seal that said, you are not enough. Faithful, yes to truth. True, yes to self. Not judge of others, but awakener of the soul. No sword flashes from his mouth, but truth, sharp and clear, cutting through illusion woven over centuries. That power is control, that divinity is earned, that love must be proven. No, love is, you are. The crown is not placed. It blooms from the third eye, petals of gold and indigo, born of silence, born of courage, born of saying, I will no longer sleep. They called it war, but it is integration. The shadow not slain, but embraced, transmuted, made whole. The rider does not fight the darkness, he rides through it. And the darkness becomes fuel for the flame. Follows only those who hear the same pulse in their own chest. They rise not in armor, but in vulnerability, not in rage, but in clarity. One by one, the inner Christ returns, not in perfection, but in presence and choice. In sovereignty. I do not conquer, I remember. I return, I return, I return. The horse stands still. is no separation, only peace.